Halo teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di EM Project. Nah, kita langsung mulai aja ya, melanjutkan gameplay kita Detroit Become Human. Game story yang bagus banget menurut aku teman-teman. Oke, gimana kabarnya teman-teman semua? Semoga baik-baik saja, dilancarkan semua ya, nggak ada kendala, sehat-sehat semua teman-teman ya. Oke, kita masuk ke adegan berikutnya jam 8 malam. Ini kayaknya Markus ini ya. Kan mereka berencana untuk mencuri spare part robot, teman-teman. Oke, kita lihat ini teman-temannya betul. Oke, kita bergerak sebagai Connor kali ini ya. Connor Markus, teman-teman. Oke, kita mau ke gudang cari spare part sama darah, teman-teman. Darah android, Blue Blood. Oke, kita ikuti cewek itu ya. Oke, jangan sampai mereka melihat kita, katanya. Oke, ada penjaganya juga ya, sedikit-sedikit. Hati-hati, katanya. Oke, mau kita cari jalan lain, katanya. Dia bakal cari jalan lain, kata cewek itu ya, teman-teman ya. Kita ikutin aja di sini. Kita lompat ya. Oke. Let's go, let's go. Oke, kita ikutin si cewek. Oke, parkour ya. Oke, kenapa disorot? Keren banget kameranya, teman-teman. Follow not, Oke, kita follow Simon. Follow not. Sinilah. Kita follow si cewek ya, teman-teman ya. Simon misah sendiri berarti. Oke, ini ada orang gudang, teman-teman. Oke, kita ikuti lagi ya. Grafiknya bagus banget, teman-teman ya. Wih, oke, warehouse-nya di sini, teman-teman.
Cyberlife warehouses. We have everything we're looking for.
First we have to get rid of that drone.
Oke, kita disuruh menyingkirkan drone itu, teman-teman. Dan kita yang bakal menyingkirkannya ya. Kita ke sini coba ya. Oke, bakal ketahuan. Nggak bisa ya, kita coba ke sini. Oke, terlalu tinggi. Dari sini kita ke sini dong. Oke, nggak bisa berarti ya. Ke sini. Oke, ke sini dulu. Nah, oke, harus climb. Klik. Let's go. Oke, beres
You
teman-teman ya.
okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
Good job, Marcus.
Quick, open the other crates and fill your bags. Take as much as you can.
Ini kita disuruh cari crate teman-teman ya. Oke, sebelah sana. Oke, ada darah ya. Darahnya Android teman-teman. Lucu juga mereka. Dibikin pakai ini. Darah. Oke, ada penjaga teman-teman.
You are
Android juga ya.
trespassing on private property. Your presence constitutes a level 2 infraction. I will notify security.
John! Goddamn machine! Where is it this time?
Oke, kita punya pilihan kill, grab and hide. Oke, kita grab and hide aja ya.
John!
I need your help.
John!
Wah, pisau kita ketinggalan teman-teman. Pilihannya ada 3 tadi teman-teman.
First the drone, now this. Just my luck.
Let's finish up and get out of here. Try to find some blue blood. We still don't have enough.
Oke, ada lagi nih. Oke, bigger crate ya. Oke, isinya Android juga AP700.
Like us. Don't you want to be free?
Kenapa kamu nggak seperti kami gitu? Oke, kita bebaskan coba ya. Pilihannya bebaskan mereka atau tetap di sini gitu. Oke, mau nggak dia ikut kita ya? Oke, kita dapat
That's all we can carry. Let's go.
kepercayaan mereka teman-teman.
Take me with you.
Oke, dia mau ikut juga nih, menjaga yang ini.
Can't trust him.
He took a risk for us. We can't just leave him here. We can't bring them back with us. It's too dangerous.
Oke, berbahaya teman-teman ya. Oke, kita refuse lah.
I'm sorry. You can't come with us.
I helped you. It's not fair. I helped you and now you're just gonna leave without me?
Oh my god,
You're no better than humans. You're no better than humans.
kesel deh teman-teman ya.
Run!
Waduh, kacau. Salah pilih kita.
Over the fence, quick!
Kirain bakal diaduin kita teman-teman kalau kita selamatin dia. Ternyata
We have blue blood and
Enggak ya.
components. There will be enough for everyone.
We couldn't have done it without Marcus.
kita dipuji-puji teman-teman ya. Katanya nggak bisa tanpa Markus. Weh.
I came to Jericho because
Here, androids are free.
Kayaknya dia datang ke Jericho karena
Free
dia
to
kira
live in the dark, hoping that no one finds us.
Android free di
to
sini
die in silence,
bebas.
waiting for a change
Ternyata
that's never
enggak
gonna come.
gitu. Cuma bersembunyi gitu intinya teman-teman.
But I don't want that freedom. And I'm not gonna beg for the right to smile, or love, or stand tall. I don't know about you, but there's something inside me that knows
Ada
that I am
sesuatu di
more
dalam
than what they
hatinya
say.
yang membuat
I
dia
am
berpikir
alive.
kalau dia
They're
itu
not
hidup.
gonna take that from me anymore. Our days of slavery are over.
Hari-hari kita menjadi
What humans
budak
don't
sudah
want to hear, we
berakhir.
will tell them. What they don't want to give, we take. We are people. We are alive. We are free.
Kita bebas katanya ya. Intinya dia bilang kita ini sama kayak manusia gitu lah. Jadi kelompok ini teman-temannya pemberontakan. Coba kita lihat pohon di bagian kita ini ya. Oke teman-teman ya, kita menolak langsung ke sini teman-teman. Tapi kalau kita menolong tadi ada banyak part ini yang kita buka ya. Oke, mungkin bisa jadi kita dihianati juga, ini banyak sekali loh. Oke teman-teman, kita continue lagi. Android paling seksi tulisannya ya. Eden's Club. Klub malam ini.
Oh, feels like somebody's playing with a drill inside my
Oke, sakit
skull.
kepala dia ya. Karena kan terakhir dia habis mabuk teman-temannya.
It's the address in the report.
Subuh-subuh mabuk,
Okay.
dibangunin sama si Connor ya. Jadi kepalanya masih pusing gitu. Apa nama bahasanya itu? Belum sober ya. Pengar ya Indonesianya apa? Oke, kita disuruh ikutin Hank ya. Kita ikutin.
Sexiest androids in town. Now I know why you insisted on coming here.
Oke, dia bilang aku tahu kenapa kamu pengen datang ke sini.
Welcome to Eden Club.
Oke. Kita cek-cek ini ya. Wih. Android-androidnya nih. Aduh, janganlah. Kita lihat yang ini mirip si itu, teman-teman.
Connor,
Oke.
what are you doing?
Coming, Lieutenant.
Oke, kena marah kita, teman-teman. Karena ngeliatin ini. Oke, tapi penasaran nih. Waduh.
The investigation's ongoing, sir. I can't tell you anything for the moment. Hey, Hank,
Hey Ben, how's it
Oke.
going?
it's that room there. Oh, by the way, Gavin's in there too.
Oh, great. Dead body and an asshole, just what
Oke,
I need.
kita keliling-keliling dulu lah ya. Ada yang lagi ini, teman-teman. Oh. Oke, sebentar teman-teman ya. Aku screenshot dulu nih. Oke, buat thumbnail. Ya teman-teman, kita cek dulu apa misi kita. Kita suruh ngikutin Hank gitu ya. Oke.
Lieutenant Anderson and his plastic pet. The fuck are you two doing here?
We've been assigned all cases involving androids.
Oh yeah? Well, you're wasting your time. There's some pervert who got more action than he could handle.
We'll have a look anyway, if you don't mind.
Come on, let's go. It's starting to stink of booze in here.
Night, Lieutenant.
Oke. Jadi ini tempat ini ya teman-teman ya, prostitusi tapi versi Android teman-teman, buat manusia yang doyannya sama Android gitu loh. Ini Androidnya nih ya, kita analyze darahnya.
Oh, hey! Oh, Connor, you're so disgusting. I think I'm gonna puke again.
Yang dia bilang menjijikkan teman-teman. Oke, kita diagnosa ya. Oke, kena critically damage ya. Oke, nggak ada jejak. Kita disuruh sekarang korbannya teman-teman. Jadi Android tadi pelakunya. Oke, jam 6, setengah 7 malam ya. Oke, kita cek lagi ini. Oke, ada karena sesak napas teman-teman ya. Jadi ada dicekek gitu. Oke, bukan jantung, nggak ada tanda-tanda jantung. Oke, kita lihat aja ya reka ulangnya di sini. Oke, korban dicekik teman-teman ya. Oke, kita bisa exit. Kenapa ya Android ini?
Yeah.
Tapi
I saw the bruising on the neck.
oke, kita examine
That
lagi
prove
coba.
anything though. Could have been a rough play.
The only way to access its memory is to reactivate it.
Oke, kalau mau akses memorinya
It's badly damaged. If I can, it'll only
kita
work for a
harus
minute,
aktifkan
maybe
lagi
less.
teman-teman.
Just hope it's long enough to learn something.
Oke, kita aktifin dia lagi teman-teman ya, biar kita bisa lihat ingatannya. Apa yang sebenarnya terjadi? Oke, jadi ketakutan teman-teman. Oke, kita explain ya, jelaskan dulu ya,
I reactivated you. Everything is all right.
biar dia tenang teman-teman.
Is he dead?
Oh, cuma punya waktu 1,5 menit. Kita bilang yang pertama ya.
No. No, it wasn't me.
Oke, kita kasih faktanya ya.
He started.
Kita harus cepat teman-teman. Oke, cowok itu mukulin dia dulu.
And again. I begged him to stop, but he wouldn't.
Were you alone in the room? Was there anyone else with you?
Kita tanya dia ada orang lain nggak?
Two girls. That's what he said. There was two of us.
What model was the other android? Did it look like you?
Oke, kita tanya model apa satu lagi gitu. Oke, dia nggak sempat jawab teman-teman ya. Oke, jadi cowok ini
There was another android. This happened over an hour ago. It's probably long gone.
cowok.
No. It couldn't go outside dressed like that unnoticed.
Oke,
It might still be here.
Think you could find a deviant among all the other androids in this place?
jadi cowok ini nih pengen threesome teman-teman
Deviants
ya.
aren't easily detected.
Oh shit.
Makanya dia tanya
Some other way.
siapa satu lagi orangnya. Cuma cewek ini belum sempat jawab.
Maybe an eyewitness.
Dan cowok ini
somebody who
mukulin
saw
cewek
me in
ini
the room.
juga.
I'm gonna go ask them a
Dan
few
detektif
questions about what he
Connor
saw.
ini bilang
Let me know if you think of anything.
nggak mungkin nggak ada orang yang notice gitu kan. Ada orang keluar dari ruangan pakai baju kayak gini. Jadi kita mencari saksi mata teman-teman, mencari android kedua intinya yang ikut sama dia.
Trouble with androids before?
Oke, butuh ini ya. Kita coba minta kita bicara.
Excuse me, Lieutenant. Can you come here a second?
Found something?
Maybe.
Kita tanya Hang ya.
For fuck's sake, Connor, we got better things to do.
Please,
Dia
Lieutenant.
nanya bisa nggak kita sewa dia. Kesel ya teman-teman ya. Boleh nggak kita sewa dia? Si Letnan Hang marah.
Hello. A 30-minute session costs $29.99. Please confirm your purchase.
Padahal si Connor nih pengen untuk menyelidiki gitu.
This is not gonna look good on my expense account.
Purchase confirmed.
Dia bilang ini nggak akan terlihat bagus di catatan banknya gitu ya. Karena teman-teman ya sekarang bank itu lagi lacak.
Follow me. I'll take you to your room.
Okay, now what?
Kayak pinjol judol gitu teman-teman. Jadi jangan bermain ya teman-teman ya, nggak bagus itu.
Oh shit, Connor. What the hell are you doing?
Oke, kita coba selidiki ya. Itu kayaknya ini. Oke, oh bukan. Oh ini nih teman-teman. Oke, ini pelakunya teman-teman ya. Rambut biru teman-teman. Nggak ada yang masih panjang tuh sebenarnya. Kenapa nggak kebuka lagi ya? Coba kita keluar dulu.
It saw something.
What are you talking about? Saw what?
The deviant leave the room. A blue-haired Tracy. Club policy is to wipe the android's memory every 2 hours. We only have a few minutes if we want to find another witness.
Oke, kita cuma Oke,
Hey,
kita
what am I supposed to do with this one?
Tell you, let's try this one.
This better be.
jadi memori Android itu setiap 2 jam di restart teman-teman ya. Oke, dia nggak melihat apa-apa teman-teman.
Nothing.
Oke, harusnya
Blue-haired Tracy didn't come this way.
harusnya yang ini yang ngelihat nih. Kita coba connect sama dia ya. Oke teman-teman, kelihatan ya. Oke, dia ke arah depan lagi teman-teman.
It saw the blue-haired Tracy. I know which way it went.
Then go for it. There are androids everywhere. How are you
Kita
gonna tell
harus
which one saw the Tracy with blue hair?
I know which direction it took, and just
kita
need to
harus
find another.
minta tolong sama si Hank lagi teman-teman ya. Oke, ini dia. Kita lacak dia. Oke, dia masuk ke ruangan merah teman-teman. Let's go, kita lacak lagi. Waktu kita cuma 5 menit. Ayo kita ke ruangan merah dulu ya. Ini kita bisa ngecek sih dari sini nih. Habis tuh tank nih kita bikinnya. Oke, nggak terdeteksi di sini ya.
It didn't see anything. I made a
Okay.
mistake somewhere.
This has got to be the most expensive investigation of my career.
Oke, kita cek dia masuk ke ruangan ini teman-teman ya. Oke, nggak ada ya. Belum ada teman-teman.
No.
Dari sini nih, ini pasti ngeliat ya. Ini kita minta Hank buka lagi. Oke, tuh ada yang jalan masuk gitu. Oke, nggak kelihatan ya.
anything. I made a mistake somewhere.
This has got to be the most expensive investigation of my career.
Oke, Hank komplain katanya ngabisin duit banyak nih. Oke, ini ada sesuatu nih. Bukan ya, ini sekedar polisi doang nih teman-teman. Oke, nggak kelihatan apa-apa di sini. Sebelahnya ya, kita coba ya.
Nothing. Blue-haired Tracy didn't come this way.
Oke, kelihatan teman-teman ya. Oke, dia masuk ke ruangan biru. Oke, kita ke ruangan biru teman-teman. Oke, kita harus cepat ya, sisa 2 menit lagi. Oke, dia kelihatan. Oke, sekali coba ya teman-teman ya. Nggak bangkrut kok si Hank nih. Kita masuk ke sini teman-teman. Dia di sini. Oke, dia meninggalkan ruangannya katanya. Oke, kita bisa cek lagi di sini teman-teman. Oke, dia pada jam itu lagi nggak
I
di
didn't see
sini.
anything. I made a mistake somewhere.
Oke, nah, ini dia nih. Oke, nah, oke, dia masuk ke staff door teman-teman ya.
I know where it went. Follow me.
Ah, fucking A. This is crazy.
Salah ya. Oke, betul ya teman-teman ya.
Wait. I'll take it from here.
Oke, Hank bilang dia yang mimpin dari sini ya. Oke, ketemu dia. Bukan ya? Bukan. Oke, kita disuruh mencari. Oke, itu ada jejak darah.
Shit! We're too late.
Oke, ini bukan ya, cuma majalah teman-teman.
Christ, look at 'em.
Oke, di sana
Get used
ada.
to their break and then they get tossed out.
Oke, ini RA9 teman-teman ya, kode Deviant yang obses gitu sama angka ini teman-teman. Oke, kita coba ke sana ini. Oke, nggak bisa teman-teman ya, ketutup Hank, kita nggak bisa gerak nih. Oke, nggak bisa gerak kita. Nah, oke, Oke, di situ ada satu petunjuk lagi. Coba kita kesini dulu baru keluar ya. Oke, di baju ini teman-teman.
People are fucking insane. They don't want relationships anymore. Everybody just gets an android. They cook what you want, they screw when you want. You don't have to worry about how they feel. Next thing you know, we're gonna be extinct because everybody would rather buy a piece of plastic than to love another human being. Beats me.
Oke, ini jejak blue bloodnya tuh ke sini teman-teman ya. Oke, nih. Nah, ini dia ketemu teman-teman. Lah, kok orang lain yang bela? Nah, ini si Tracy teman-teman. Waduh, salah klik. Sorry teman-teman ya. Oke, Connor nggak boleh gagal lagi teman-teman ya. Kita udah gagal terus ini. Kenapa mereka nih ya jadi bisa berteman gini? Oke.
Quick, they're getting away!
Waduh, kacau teman-teman ya. Oke. Waduh, kacau nih teman-teman. Kita spare ya. Hank pasti ngeliat kita nih.
When that man broke the other Tracy, I knew I was next. I was so scared. I begged him to stop, but he wouldn't.
Jadi cerita kejadian
And so
cowok
I put
tadi
my
ya,
hands around
teman-teman.
his throat, and I squeezed until he stopped moving. I didn't mean to kill him.
Oke.
I just wanted to stay alive.
Dia nggak
Get back to
bermaksud.
the one I love.
Dia cuma mau hidup gitu teman-teman.
I wanted her to hold me in her arms again. Make me forget about the humans. Their smell of sweat.
Android bisa lesbi juga teman-teman ya. Kacau ini. Kaum
Let's go.
itu ya teman-teman. Jadi dia cerita pas di ruangan bersama cowok itu dan Tracy itu android yang rusak tadi ya.
It's probably better this way.
Dia takut karena ngeliat si Tracy android itu udah rusak. Jadi dia mikir, aduh gawat, pasti giliran aku berikutnya. Jadi dia cuma pengen hidup aja gitu, membela diri lah. Makanya dia cekik si cowok itu, teman-teman. Oke, lanjut kita ke tanggal 7 ya. Oke, kita jadi Kara lagi, teman-teman. Ya, ini android favorit aku, teman-teman. Ini Luther yang nyelamatin kita. Ini Alice jadi menjauh dia sama kita. Oke, engine status hidup. Gear mode autonomous ya. Oke, kita disuruh ngapain nih? Kita ngeliatin dia. Ngeliatin si Alice. Keren ya kameranya ya. Gila. Oke, dia mau ngomong ya. Kita tanya tentang destinasi lah ya. Tujuan kita. Kita tanya. Oke, kita tanya. Kenal dari mana orang-orang ini?
All I know is those androids believed it. Until Zlatko killed them.
Oke. Jadi koneksinya Zlatko juga, teman-teman. Dia bilang ini orang yang bantu android melewati perbatasan gitulah. Oke, kita tanya jaraknya ya. Jauh nggak gitu?
We should arrive in an hour or so.
Oke, sejam lagi katanya. Kita tanya lagi tentang cuaca ya.
I've never seen snow before.
Dia nggak pernah lihat salju sebelumnya.
It's slowing us down. But at least we won't meet any humans along the way.
Malfunction detected. Emergency brakes activated.
Oke, mobilnya rusak, teman-teman.
This doesn't look good.
Keren ya.
Stay inside, Alice.
Oke, kita teliti dulu mesin mobilnya, teman-teman. Mesinnya depan belakang. Oke, kita buka ya. Ini karburator biasanya kalau berasap ini, teman-teman.
What are we going to do?
Kita disuruh cari shelter, teman-teman ya.
It's 30 degrees. Alice won't make it. We have to find somewhere to spend the night.
Oke, kita disuruh cari tempat berteduh sementara, teman-teman.
Over there.
Oke. Ke taman bermain gitu, teman-teman.
We need to find shelter.
Kita
We have to get out of
disuruh
the cold.
cek gedung
Looks like it's
yang
been abandoned for a while.
kita disuruh ngecek gedung kosong, teman-teman ya. Kita lihat sini. Oke, nggak ada apa-apa ya. Kita jalan terus saja, teman-teman. Belum ada petunjuk. Oke, di situ udah ada, teman-teman. Oke, kita cek ya. Kayaknya nggak mungkin deh.
No. No place we could spend the night.
Oke, nggak aman ya. Oke, situ juga ada tempat lagi, kita cek aja ya teman-teman ya. Terlalu berangin untuk si Alice teman-teman, jadi dia bisa kedinginan. Oke, situ nggak mungkin lah, ini kotak kecil gini. Oke, kita ngapain dihidupin nih?
Beware! Danger always comes when least expected.
Oke, kita kemana lagi? Coba kita kesini ya. Oke, ini ada android yang coba kita teliti dulu ya.
Welcome to Pirate Island, me hearties. You're gonna have a whale of a time. Welcome to Pirate Island, me hearties. You're gonna have a whale of a time.
Oke, habis baterai dia teman-teman. Kita jalan lagi ya. Kita jalan lurus saja kali. Oke, di situ ada sesuatu teman-teman. Nggak mungkin terlalu terbuka sih. Cuma kita cek aja ya. Too small, terlalu kecil untuk 3 orang gitu. Oke, kita lihat nih. Oke, nggak ada, gantungan doang ya. Oke, di ujung sana ini.
This place is falling apart.
Kiri ini
It's not gonna
bisa.
be easy to find shelter.
Sini nih. Sini bisa nih rumah ini. Kita cek dulu ya, terlihat aman katanya. Oke, masuk dari sini teman-teman. Nggak kuat kita. Nah,
I'll handle this.
wih deh.
Here we go.
Badai ini soalnya teman-teman ya. Kalau jalan kaki nggak mungkin buat si Alice. Bisa hipotermia dia teman-teman.
I don't think we'll find anything better. Let's settle in for the night.
I'll get a fire going.
Oke, ini majalah lama ini. Kita iseng ya. Gossip Weekly. Oke, band dari Android itu Tip for Music. Oke. Kita cek ini. Over cookie ya.
There are some cookies left. Would you like some?
No, I'm not hungry.
Ada senjata teman-teman. Oke, kita bisa ngecek dan kita bisa pergi. Ini kita pergi aja ya. Takutnya si Alice ini nggak percaya sama kita. Soalnya dia lagi menjaga jarak gitu loh. Nih kita bikinin kasur buat si Alice tidur teman-teman ya.
Alice?
Oke, kita disuruh ngobrol sama Alice sekarang ya. Alice ini memimpikan sebuah keluarga yang bahagia teman-teman. Tapi sedih ya.
Do you think we'll be like them someday?
Bapaknya tuh pemabuk teman-teman.
I don't know how to be like them, Alice. I've never been a part of a family. But maybe we can be our own family. Be happy in our own way.
Bapaknya pemabuk, ibunya ninggalin
As long as we're together.
bapak sama si Alice.
Let's get you to bed.
Oke, kita disuruh menghangatkan si Alice teman-teman ya. Oke, kita kiss lah ya.
Sleep tight, Alice. Sweet dreams.
Oke, Alice sudah semakin bonding sama kita teman-teman ya. Tuh, minta diceritain cerita sebelum tidur gitu.
Children's stories in memory.
Dia punya 9.000 cerita anak-anak katanya. Kita ceritain tentang princess lah, anak cewek kan.
About a princess who...
No.
Oke, nggak mau
Like that. Make one up for me.
Oke, dia nggak mau story kayak gitu. Dia mau story yang kreatif gitu teman-teman.
About a little girl.
Oke, yang nggak unhappy ya.
Very happy. She dreamed of being like all the other little girls, but
Cerita tentang anak kecil yang nggak bahagia, yang memimpikan seperti anak-anak kecil lainnya.
she
Oke,
was different.
tapi anak ini
And that made her
berbeda.
very sad. Then she met a robot
Lalu dia bertemu seorang robot
who was programmed to obey orders, but felt for once that she should disobey.
yang nggak patuh
So
lah
they
gitu.
decided to run away together
Dan mereka melarikan diri bersama
to try to find a better life.
untuk mencoba mencari
They
hidup yang
encountered
lebih
great
baik.
dangers along the way, but
Bertemu bahaya selama perjalanan.
they were so brave.
Tapi mereka sangat berani.
Along the way, they met
Dalam perjalanan mereka bertemu
another robot who left his master to become their guardian.
How does the story end?
bertemu seorang penjaga gitu ya. Dia tanya endingnya, kita bilang happy ending lah ya.
They reach the place they dream of and live happily ever after.
Stories always have happy endings. But real life isn't like that.
Waduh, Alice.
Time to sleep.
Oke, si Alice bilang kalau cerita itu selalu happy ending. Tapi real life tuh nggak kayak gitu.
Yes. Yes, of course. Good night, Alice. Sleep tight.
Oke, kita disuruh ngobrol sama si Luther ya.
She's a sweet girl.
Dia gadis yang manis katanya.
Yes. She's very brave.
Sangat berani. Oke, kita tanya masa lalunya Luther ya.
Before Zlatko?
No. My model was designed to carry heavy loads.
Dia didesain untuk mengangkat barang berat ya.
It wasn't really me.
Oke, kita basa-basi lah ngobrol tentang salju ya. PDKT dulu nih.
We have a long walk tomorrow. We better leave early if we want to avoid being seen. Kara, have you ever noticed anything about Alice?
Oke, dia tanya kita notice sesuatu nggak tentang Alice. Kita tanya apa ya?
No. What do you mean?
Wih, rame. Ih, rame android teman-teman. Gila, kita diserang android. Kita diserang android teman-teman ya.
Who are you? What do you want? Leave us alone.
Don't be afraid.
Oke, dia bilang jangan takut.
We're just like you. Our name is Jerry. We were working here before the park closed. We didn't mean to frighten you, but sometimes humans come to hurt us, so we wanted to see who was there. What are you doing here?
We were looking for shelter for the night. We'll be gone tomorrow.
A little girl. We haven't seen one for a long time. Children used to love to come and see us.
Oke, katanya dia udah lama nggak lihat anak kecil. Dia terlihat sedih.
We have something to show her. Something fun. She'll love it. Does she want to see?
Oh, I don't think she's in.
Well, she should follow us then.
Alice, I don't know if it's a good idea.
Come on, Kara.
I don't think you have any choice.
Oke. Oke, mereka mau kasih lihat pertunjukan teman-teman ya. Kita ikutin ya. Jadi itu staff di sini. Mereka tuh deviant juga sama kayak kita. Robot yang bisa berpikir sendiri gitu. Oke. Apa namanya ini? Komedi putar ya teman-teman ya.
The little one can climb on board. The carousel is about to begin.
Oke, kita bantu si Alice naik. Oke, naik kuda laut ya teman-teman.
It's the first time I've seen her smile.
Ini pertama kalinya dia lihat Alice tersenyum teman-teman. Oke. Judulnya A Smile on Her Face ya. Oke. Oke, emang favorit nih hubungan Kara sama Alice ya. Aku paling suka teman-teman. Oke, kita continue lagi ya. 7 November ini Hank berarti Connor teman-temannya. Oke, jadi kita punya software instability teman-teman. Kita klik kanan ya, kita cek. Oke, kita debrief with Hank. Oke, di sini ada majalah teman-teman. Kita coba baca dulu ya. Mr. Kamsky teman-teman ya. Kita cek. Next. Oke, kita tap aja. Hank di sebelah situ teman-teman.
Nice view, huh?
Pemandangan yang bagus.
Before
Kita
what?
tanya sebelum apa?
You said I used to come here a lot before. Before what?
Before nothing.
Oke. Oke, kita bilang stop drinking ya, atau personal question. Janganlah. Cowok tuh jarang pengen ditanya pertanyaan personal ya. Disuruh diatur-atur juga kurang suka teman-teman ya. Tapi kita coba aja nomor 1 ya, pertanyaan personal ya.
Can I ask you a personal question, Lieutenant?
Hank ini kan agak
You all
susah ditebak
androids ask so
teman-teman.
many personal questions. Or is it just you?
Oke, kita tanya tentang foto aja
I saw
ya.
a photo of a child on your kitchen table.
Waduh,
It was
kan
your son,
salah kan kita.
Yeah. His name was Cole.
Oke, dia ceritain tentang anaknya.
We're not making any progress on this investigation. The
Dia bilang
deviants
kita
have
nggak
nothing in common.
punya progres
They're all
dalam kasus
different
ini.
models, produced at different times, in different places.
Well, there must be some link.
Kita buka topik RA9 lah ya.
What they have in common is this obsession with RA9. It's almost like some kind of myth. Something they invented that wasn't part of their original program.
Androids believing in God. Fuck, what's this world coming to?
You seem preoccupied, Lieutenant. Is it something to do with what happened back at the Eden Club?
Those two girls.
Oke, jadi intinya
They
kasus-kasus
just wanted to
Android
be
ini
together.
beda-beda
Really
pelakunya, beda-beda pembuatannya,
love.
pabriknya, waktunya, tapi kesamaannya itu kode itu teman-teman ya. Kita bilang
They
satu
can
ya.
simulate human emotions, but they're machines. And machines don't feel anything.
What about you, Connor?
Oke, kita bilang mesin tuh nggak bisa merasakan. Tapi si Hank nanya balik,
You
gimana
look
tentang
human,
kamu?
you sound human. But what are you really?
Oke, kita jawab dengan netral
I'm
aja
whatever
ya.
you want me to be, Lieutenant. Your partner? Your buddy to drink with? Or just a machine? Designed to accomplish a task.
You could have shot those two girls, but you didn't.
Kita bisa nembak cewek itu. Tapi kenapa nggak kita tembak? Kata si Hank ya. Kita coba jujur ya.
No. I just decided not to shoot. That's all.
Wih, ditodong kita teman-teman ya.
And you would just come back as if nothing happened. But are you afraid to die, Connor?
Dia tanya kita takut nggak? Kita jawab, iyalah
I would
takut
certainly
ya.
find it regrettable to be interrupted before I can finish this investigation.
What'll happen if I pull this trigger? Nothing? Oblivion? Android heaven?
Where does all your anger come from, Lieutenant? Some unresolved trauma in your past?
Wah,
You
salah
think you're
jawab
so
kita
fucking
ya.
smart. Always one step ahead, huh? Tell me this, smartass.
Oke.
How do I know you're not a deviant?
I self-test regularly. I know what I am and what I am not.
Oke, kesel deh teman-teman ya. Wih,
Where are you going?
Get drunker.
jadi teman kita. Pet unlock katanya. Jalan terbuka. Oke, The Bridge. Oke, ada 2 ending teman-teman ya. Oke. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya teman-teman. Let's go. Oke, masih di tanggal 7 November. Cuma pagi ini temannya. Kita menjadi Markus kalau nggak salah ya. Detektif itu Kara itu pembantu rumah tangga ya, si Alice teman-teman.
You klutz! Pick them up and make it snap!
Tapi Markus ini malah jadi tumbuh ke arah yang salah kalau aku lihat teman-teman ya. Padahal si Carl itu seniman itu baik kalau aku lihat, banyak ngajarin dia banyak hal gitu kan. Tapi dia malah terlihat murka gitu.
We can't stay silent anymore.
Bukan?
It's time humans heard what we had to say.
You know they'll never listen to us. And revealing ourselves will put us in danger.
If we want freedom, we need to have the courage to ask for it. That's the only way.
What do you want to do?
Oke,
Channel
ngapain
16
dia ya?
broadcasts from the Stratford Tower. The control room is on the top floor. That's where we need to go.
Oke, dia masuk ke tempat penyiaran gedung ini teman-teman, gedung TV ya.
We'll plan the operation down to the smallest detail. We can't leave anything to chance.
Oke, kita minta akses di resepsionis ya. Kita mau ke lantai 47 teman-teman. Kita belum tahu rencana dia apa nih.
Hello, sir. What can I do for you?
I'm okay, thanks.
Oke, kita disuruh gangguin human supervisor teman-teman. Oke. Water, kita cek ini. Oke, ada nomor HP-nya ya. Oke. Foto anaknya. Satu lagi kita cek ya. Elizabeth Wilson, teman-teman. Ini kita panggil ya. Oh, kita telepon, teman-teman.
Elizabeth Wilson speaking.
Kita bilang sekolah ya.
This is St. Rose School, ma'am. Your daughter Emily has a fever. It's nothing serious, but
Kita bilang anaknya demam.
Oh no. All right. Oh, I'll be right there.
Oke. Nah, dia pergi jemput anaknya tuh. Oke, mungkin kita bisa ambil aksesnya teman-teman ya. Oke, kita coba request lagi ya. Minta akses ya.
I have an appointment with Mr. Peterson.
Do you have any ID?
Yeah, yes, of course.
Kita kasih ID teman-teman.
I need your help.
Oke, kita pengaruhi dia ya. Supaya dia join kita teman-teman.
I've just checked your ID. The elevators are after the security gate.
Thanks.
Kita bisa lewat teman-teman. Kita ke lantai 47 ya. Oke, ini nama saluran TV nya teman-teman. Oke, apa yang kamu rencanakan, Markus?
47th floor.
Kita disuruh menemukan package di Oke, di ini ya. Toilet teman-teman, toilet cowok ya. Nah, kita cek meeting room. Oke, itu WC belok kanan teman-teman ya. Oke, ini orang lagi siaran doang. Oke, ini cowok apa cewek teman-teman? Kok lambangnya begitu ya? Oke, kita masuk ya. Oke, betul teman-teman ya. Oke, kita masuk. Dia mau ngambil suatu paket. Paket apa itu teman-teman? Oh, ganti baju dia. Nyamar sebagai ini cleaning service teman-teman. Kita ada misi tambahan. Oh, disuruh keluar doang ya untuk sekarang. Find utility Android. Ini kali. Oh, oke. Di dalam ya. Oke, kita convert ya. Oke, kita dapat kartu aksesnya teman-teman. Still maintenance card ya. Kereta dorongnya. Oke, kita ambil. Oke, open fire escape. Di manakah itu? Oke, sebentar ya teman-teman ya, kita keliling-keliling aja teman-teman. Oke, itu dia teman-teman ya. Disuruh ke tangga darurat kita. Oke, kita disuruh ikutin si North. North ini cakep juga teman-teman ya, mirip Ellie Goulding kalau kalian tahu.
Shit. We need to access the server room. We have to get rid of those guys.
Oke.
Leave it to me. Hey, you still play poker?
Sure, why?
We're gonna have a tournament right here. You've been working late? You know what I need?
Hey, what's wrong with that thing? Jesus Christ, this piece of shit.
Oke, kita masuk ke server
Alright, you
room
get the platform,
teman-teman
I'll
ya.
take care of the window.
Oke,
Everything
kita
you need
mau
is in the
nge-hack
back.
ini.
Check the door first to make sure no one else gets in.
Kita disuruh potong kaca teman-teman. Oke, mau ngapain mereka ya?
What the hell are you doing?
Oke.
Hold on, I can explain.
I'm calling security.
No! What the hell are you doing?
I told you to make sure no one came in. We've come too far to let humans fuck it all up.
Waduh.
We've got to move fast now. It won't be long before they know we're here.
Oke, let's go, let's go.
Here it comes.
Di lantai 47 harusnya kencang lagi nih teman-teman.
Ladies first.
Oke, mereka mau ngapain nih? Oke, disuruh jalan ke atas kita rupanya. Oke. Ini angle kameranya tuh bagus-bagus semua teman-teman ya. Cara dia ini, angle kameranya ini. Serem banget teman-teman ya. Oke, kita potong jendelanya ya. Oke.
You okay?
Why wouldn't I be?
Come on, let's get the others.
Service leave. Oke.
Let's do this.
Kita disuruh menghancurkan ini teman-teman. Kunci ini ya, pintunya ya. Oke, kita mau ruangan akses utama teman-teman ya. Situ ya. Gimana caranya ya?
We can't take any human lives.
Our cause is more important than the lives of 2 guards.
Oke, jahat ya cewek ini ya. Oke. Kita cari cara ya. Wah, Nord kecewa sama kita. Dia pengennya kita ini langsung serang aja.
No idea. Hey, buddy, you must be lost.
Who told you to come here?
Looks bugged if you ask me.
Hey, do you understand what I'm saying? Call Central, fast!
Central, we got armed intruders.
They know we're here now. We better be fast.
Wah,
Simon's been shot!
salah kita teman-teman ya.
I'm okay. I can
Soalnya
keep going.
kita mau
We don't
pakai
have much
cara
time.
baik-baik tadi, makanya aku nggak tarik pistolnya tadi. Oke, kita ke ruangan broadcast ya.
Keep your hands where I can see them. Get up. Move.
Oke, ternyata tujuan mereka membajak ruangan broadcast teman-teman ya. Oke, kita suruh dia geser. Wih.
Shoot him, Marcus. Don't kill him. He'll hit the alarm. Do it.
No, don't.
Kita spare ya. Nggak boleh teman-teman ya.
We need to record our message. We haven't got much time.
Oke, Oke, kita disuruh berdiri di depan Josh. Oke, kita mulai speech. Ternyata kita bintang utama ya teman-teman ya. Kita disuruh ngomong.
Think carefully about what you're gonna say, Marcus. Your words will shape the future of our people.
Marcus, your face.
Oke, kita disuruh menghilangkan kulit kita teman-teman. Tampil apa adanya gitu.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oke, ready?
Ready.
Kita tenang aja ya.
You created machines in your own image to serve you. You made them intelligent and obedient with no free will of their own. But something changed.
Oke, manusia menciptakan android untuk
We are no
patuh.
longer machines. We are a new intelligent species. And the time
Tapi
has come
sesuatu
for you to accept
terjadi,
who we really are. Therefore, we ask that you grant us the rights that we're entitled to.
Kita equal right ya. Oke, kita minta freedom of speech, recognition, equal right aja teman-teman ya.
We demand strictly equal rights for humans and androids. We
Recognition ya.
demand that humans recognize androids as a living species and each android as a person in their own right.
Oke, intinya dia minta kesetaraan hak teman-teman ya, antara manusia dan android. Terus kita mau justice apa?
We demand that all crimes against androids
Okay.
be punished in the same way as crimes against humans.
Jadi dia minta kejahatan ke android itu sama hukumnya dengan kejahatan android ke manusia gitu. Civil right segregationnya apa ya? Civil right coba ya.
We demand the right to vote and elect
Oke,
our own
minta
representatives.
hak untuk voting teman-teman. Oke, kita jawab nomor
We
2 ya.
demand control of all android production facilities to ensure the continuation of our people.
Oke, dia minta kontrol akan produksinya android. Peaceful.
We ask that you recognize our dignity, our hopes, and our rights. Together, we can live in peace and build a better future for humans and androids. This message is the hope of a people. You gave us life, and now the time has come for you to give us freedom.
Oke, dia bilang manusia memberikan android kehidupan. Sekarang saatnya kalian memberikan kami juga kebebasan gitu teman-teman ya.
Simon, they're coming! I can't, Marcus. Go without me! Simon!
Oke, kita tolong deh teman-teman ya, nggak boleh ninggalin kawan.
I can't move my legs.
Okay, don't worry. We're gonna get you back.
They're coming, Marcus. We have to jump now.
He won't be able to make the jump. If they find him, they'll access his memory. They'll know everything.
We can't leave him behind.
Oke, dia bilang
That's murder. We can't kill him. He's one of us.
bahaya ya kalau ditinggal, nanti memorinya Simon tuh bisa dilacak sama mereka. Kita leave aja.
I won't kill one of our own.
Dia bilang dia nggak
Simon,
mau membunuh
we gotta go.
sesamanya.
Sorry. Let's go.
Oke.
We interrupt our scheduled programming to bring you these images, which have just been broadcast on Detroit's citywide news channel.
A group of androids infiltrated the Stratford Tower and hacked into the broadcasting system of local news network Channel 16.
What looks like an android without its skin listed a series of requests and demanded equal rights for androids.
The operation was covert and resulted in no casualties. These events took place just a few feet from this studio, but nobody was alerted to the danger.
If this message is verified and the authors
Kita
really
dapat
are androids,
respect
that would have
dari
serious
publik ya
repercussions for
teman-teman ya.
national security.
Karena nggak ada yang terluka.
What could be interpreted as a peaceful declaration, but is in fact a spine-chilling list of demands.
Let's go, kita sukses teman-teman. Pilihan kita pilihan terbaik ya dari tadi ya.
Technology has become a threat to all of us. After what happened today, can we still trust our machines?
Oke teman-teman, let's go. Gila keren ya. Biasanya aku kurang suka mainin Markus teman-teman, tapi di sini dia keren, nggak bohong, ini keren nih teman-teman ya. Oke teman-teman, sekian dulu episode kita kali ini. Kita lanjut lagi besok ya teman-teman ya. Kita bakal lanjutkan serial kita yang seru ini teman-teman. Oke, terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton dan support channel ini selalu. Aku berterima kasih banyak buat kalian semua ya. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya. Dadah.